Stop giving everyone your attention for free. Your time is valuable. Your energy is limited. Respect isn't demanded. It's noticed when you set boundaries. When you prioritize yourself, others naturally adjust their expectations. Speak with intention. Act with purpose. You don't need to explain every decision or justify your presence. People value what isn't always available. Your presence becomes more powerful when it's deliberate. Even small pauses create space for others to notice you. Live by your principles. Stand firm in your choices. Prioritize your energy and your time. And watch respect, influence, and meaningful connections follow naturally, without you having to chase them.